Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on adding an accordion. The accordion is generally used, or very useful to use, for things like frequently asked questions, FAQs. I've uploaded here a templated website, and I'm going to scroll down to here. And I'm going to add in an accordion here. The way to add an accordion is to go to widgets. You can either type up here accordion, see if it's frequently used, which it is in this case, but if you go to basics, you'll see the accordion here, and I'm just going to drag this in to a new row. And straight away it produces the accordion with 3 rows. You can now change the title here, so I can have title 1. I'm going to keep it heading 3. And you can add your text in here. Let's go to the next title. I'm going to call this title 2. This one title 3. If I wish to add a new item, I just say add item. And if I wish to delete an item, I just hit the cross. Let's have a look what this looks like now. We can show the first item expanded. So this will be open when you first go to it, and we'll only show one item expanded at a time. So let's now look at the design of the accordion. You can have different layouts. You can select them here. You can see it changing as I select this. But let's go back to the original. Title style. This is the title here. You can change the font, the size, and the color. Well, we could do with a darker color. Here we are. So I've just changed the color. You can have it bold, alignment, and direction. You can have a background color. So at the moment we've got this grey color. You might want it this red color, a bit rich. And you can have a border, and you're going to change the border color. You can also have an image. You can have the image covering, which it's doing at the moment. You can have a full image, tile, no repeats. Or you can keep the image static. As I scroll, it stays static. I'm not looking to have an image, so I'm going to delete this. Description style. You can change the font, the size, and the color again. As it's a darker grey background, I'm going to keep this color. You can have it bold, change the alignment. You can change the background color. I might want this lighter grey. I now might want the text to be darker. I can have a border. I'm not going to in this case. The expandable icon styles. These are the icons here. I can change the color inside. I might want it the red color. I can change the icon size. I can change the background color. I can change the spacing. And I can have rounded corners, or I can have it square. I can have a little image. Accordion frame style. That's the outside. We've got this. You can change the size. You can change the color, background color. Let's have a look. We can change it to this dark color. Just changing it here. We can add a border. We can have rounded corners. We can change the spacing between items, and we can change the spacing on the sides. You can add some animation to the accordion. We've got 2 triggers, entrance and scroll. If we keep it on entrance, it will trigger when we get to this part of the page, and we might just want it to fade in and in place. You can change the duration and delay, and you can preview your animation. And you can add some spacing. You can also change the size of the accordion by moving it here. And you can change the location of the accordion. If I right hand mouse click, edit design, and click this little wheel up here, I could have it showing it to the left, to the center, or to the right. I'm going to have it full width. Let's have a look what this looks like on a preview. So we now have 3 different titles, and as you can see, one opens at a time. That's how you add an accordion.